Here's ASOL app cashback every ASOL. Earn cashback plus rewards. Here, earn while you shop. ASOL is the easiest way to discover, shop, and get rewarded for trying new brands. Download ASOL and create an account in less than 30 seconds. Cashback in every ASOL has helped hundreds of thousands of users get cashback on their favorite brands. With over 1,000 brands, there is something for everyone. Add offers to ASOL account before heading to store. Once you're in the store, use our checkout page to make sure you get every available offer in every ASOL. Snap a picture of your receipt and get rewarded instantly. So yeah, everywhere it works, from pet stores to hardware stores. As long as you have receipt, no store is off limits. 1,000+ brands on the platform. There is something to everyone. So just buy something and you can earn cash back. And then you can create an account and start using the app. However, the average ratings is not that good. Some people say it kind of works. Some people say it's a bit scammy. So app doesn't work. Obviously, Simpsons only works in US, and I guess you need to know which brand it's working with. So it doesn't work with every single brand. So try it out. Have you used it? Does it work for you? Just reply in the comments.